Hey, it's Matt. I think just about the whole world has heard about the SPAMtember Challenge giveaway, and that's being hosted by our old buddy Trailblazer Tim over at the Creative Outdoorsman. Go check out his channel. I think you'll like it. And all you got to do to get in on the contest, and he's got some great prizes to give away, by the way. All you got to do to get in on the contest is do a spam recipe, doesn't matter what it is, and tag him or email him and say, I want to be in the contest. He'll put you in a playlist and you got a chance to be in the contest. Well, I already have one entry into the contest, and that's my fried spam and cheese sandwich. And that worked out really good, but I want to win the prizes. So I'm going to do a second entry. And this is going to be really interesting. This is going to be spam fries in an air fryer. I'm going to use my new Emerald Air Power Air 360 fryer, whatever it is. I did a video on it on my RV channel and put a card to that video right up here. Go over and check out my RV channel, and that video gives you a good reference on what the Power Air Fryer is. But here's my second entry into the SPAMtember Challenge giveaway. Spam fries in an air fryer. I hope you like it. Let's get into getting them fries.
Okay, so the first thing we got to do is we got to get our old buddy Spam, and we got to get the Spam out of the can. You got to wait till you hear that little suction, little pop, to get that Spam out of the can. Now, just turn that on its side, get yourself a big old sharp knife, and start cutting. You want to make it so you have about ½ inch square French fries going on here. And if you cut the Spam like this, kind of lengthwise, you can get about 6 big slices of Spam. And then, you know, I'm just cutting it into about 6 different slices. Now, what you do is just put these over to the side here. Now, you're going to double up these slices and you're going to cut these into about thirds. So you get about 6 little ½ inch square Spam fries out of each slice of Spam. And then you just keep going on and on. You know, here we go. We're doing some more thirds. Yep, everything's coming out right. Hey, look at that. What do you know? Now, we're just going to stack these up. Keep doing a little bit more. And chop these into thirds. We're getting done. Everything's looking pretty good. And now we just, we can stack them in there. What the heck? We don't care. Okay, now we come over to the Emerald air fryer and we get out the air fryer grate. This is pretty important if you're going to be air frying. Now, this looks nice and good. Now we're going to take it over to our Spam fries. Yeah, here they are. Now, we're just going to arrange the Spam fries in the air fryer grid. And we're not going to clump them up because it's air frying, they need some space between them. So we're just going to like loosely arrange them here because a few of them are stuck together and so forth because it is Spam, you know, and it does have a little bit of fat in it. So we're just going to arrange them so they're all nice and not touching and spread apart and got some pretty good air space between them. And then they're going to get ready to go in the fryer, you know, and you don't need to arrange them in any certain order, just so, you know, you got a little bit of airflow around all of them. All right, there we go. We're looking good. Oh, yeah. Okay, now we're going to go back to the Emerald, and we're going to set this dude on air fry. I don't think you can see that too good, but we're going to set it on air frying, and it's going to default to 400 degrees for 18 minutes. Okay, now we're preheated and we're going to put the Spam fries in on the middle rack where it says air fry. Make sure we get it right in the middle of the oven. And now we're going to put these guys in there for 18 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay, come back after about 9 minutes because I wanted to see how they were doing. And they're looking pretty good. I didn't want to overcook them. Checking them out, see how they're doing. They're frying up pretty good. So, all right, they're about halfway through. So we're going to give them another 9 minutes at 400 degrees. And I think we're going to be looking good. Okay, now we're out of the oven. We're done. And these babies are smoking hot. got to be careful because, man, they will burn you. So I'm using tongs. So we're just going to stack them in this bowl, and we're going to let them kind of crisp up, because the longer you let them sit in the bowl, it's kind of like bacon. You know, when it dries out a little bit, they get kind of crispy. So we're going to see if they do that. But man, I'm telling you, look at this bowl of Spam fries. Oh, I can't wait. This is going to be so good. All right, here we go. We got our Spam fries out here. You got to let these things cool down a little bit because they're really hot. What I did is I wound up giving them an extra 2 minutes to go to 20 minutes because I wanted them a little crispy. And it's just like bacon. When you let them cool down, they crisp up a little bit. We're going to try it with a little honey mustard, a little barbecue, and a little ranch. So let's go in for some barbecue first. Oh man, oh, it's so good. How about the honey mustard? Nice and tangy. Now maybe a little ranch. Wow, that's a different taste. Oh, these work out so good. Ooh, they're still hot. But man, these are nice and tasty. Just a word of warning. My wife says it's kind of stinky cooking it inside in the air fryer, so you might want to cook these outside because they do smell a little bit. But here we go. Nice Spam fries. No breadcrumbs, no flour, no nothing. Just cook them till they're crispy and enjoy them. This is a great snack on the road. It's gonna be a great RV snack also. But it's a great, you know, these would be great for football games or anything else. So, all right, this is awesome. I'm gonna continue to enjoy my Spam fries. Until next time, this is Matt, and I'll see you from the road.